Hi everyone, welcome to For Curious Researchers. Scientific writing is one of the most essential and most challenging skills for early career researchers. Writing is not just a way to share your results, it's how you shape the impact of your work. But many young researchers unknowingly fall into common traps that weaken their manuscripts, delay publication, or even lead to rejection. In this video, I'll walk you through three critical mistakes that many researchers make when writing scientific paper, and I'll show you exactly how to fix them. The first major mistake, writing like a novelist instead of scientist. Many young researchers, especially those who are passionate about their topic, write with too much emotion. They use flowery language, long dramatic sentences, or vague descriptions like fascinating or amazing. But scientific writing demands clarity, objectivity, and precision. Each sentence should serve a purpose to communicate facts, not feelings. Don't try to impress your reader. Your job is to inform them with evidence, not entertain them with adjectives. Let me show you a comparison. Example 2. The result showed a 12% increase in X under Y conditions with this p-value. This is short, clear, and precise. It tells the reader exactly what was observed and under what condition. Now, look at the first example. The results were absolutely remarkable and astonishing beyond measure. That may sound dramatic, but it tells us nothing. No data, no context, no value. Golden rule. Let the data speak. Don't add emotional noise to scientific facts. Use language that is neutral and accurate. That's what builds credibility. The second common mistake is poor structure. Many papers fail not because of bad data, but because the structure is chaotic. They jump between ideas, lack transitions, and leave readers confused about what the main point really is. Think of your paper as a guide journey. The abstract should give a bird's eye view. What you did, why you did it, how you did it, and what you found. The introduction should start broad, then gradually focus down to your specific research question. This is often called the funnel approach. Your methods and results sections should follow clear, logical order, and your discussion should offer interpretation, not just repetition. Let's compare two introductions. The bad example. Cancer is a big health problem. We did a study to learn more about it. This is too vague. It doesn't show the research gap or justify the study. Now a strong version. Cancer remains the leading cause of mortality worldwide. This study investigates the effect of compound A on inhibiting metastases in non-small cell lung cancer models. Can you see the difference? It starts with a global context, identifies a specific issue like metastasis, and introduces the research aim. Your introduction should build trust, provide background, and show why your work matters. Structure problems don't end with the introduction. In the result sections, many researchers simply describe their findings without guiding the reader. Use subheadings based on your hypothesis or question. In the discussion, don't just repeat the data. Instead of it, example, these findings suggest that compound A may reduce metastasis through downregulation of MMP9. That's how you connect your result to biological meaning. Avoid vague summarizes like the experiment worked well. Be specific, analytical, and intentional. Mistake number 3, and one of the most frustrating for editors, is ignoring journal guidelines. You might spend weeks perfecting your science, but if you submit in the wrong format, with wrong citation style, or poor figure quality, your paper may be desk rejected without review. Yes, it's that serious. Journal instructions are not suggestions. They are mandatory. Always read and follow the instructions for others. For every journal you submit to. Let me give you a common example. This is the correct Vancouver style references. Now, here's an incorrect version in APA style. Using the wrong style is one of the most frequent and most avoidable formatting errors. Make sure your reference manager like Zotero, Mendeley, or EndNote is set to the correct style required by the journal. Here are some quick fixes that will save you time and prevent rejections. Download the most recent older guidelines from the journal website. Use Reference Manager to automate citation formatting. Ensure image resolution is high. And label all figures and tables properly. Number them, caption them, and follow the journal's visual style. And also remember, journals often reject papers not because of the science, but because the manuscript doesn't meet technical standards. To summarize, here's how you can avoid this mistake. Be clear and concise. Every sentence should communicate one idea, nothing extra. Use a strong and logical structure. Each section should lead smoothly into the next. Follow every journal guideline from citation style to figure formatting. And most importantly, revise and proofread multiple times before submission. Good science deserves good writing, and good writing gets published. Now, let's quickly review what we have learned with some practical reminders you can apply to your next paper. Write like a scientist, not a novelist. Avoid emotional or dramatic language. Keep your sentences short, clear, and data-focused. A structure is everything. Use subheadings. Organize your introduction like a funnel. Let your methods, results, and discussion guide the reader step by step. Always follow journal instructions, from citations style and font size to figure resolution and file formats. These small details can make the difference between acceptance and rejection. Think of this as your writing checklist. Post them on your wall or next to your laptop, and revisit them before every submission. Thank you for watching for Curious Researchers. If this video helped you, give it a like and subscribe for more tips on research writing, lab skills, and academic life. And tell me in the comments, what's your biggest challenge in scientific writing? I'd love to hear from you and maybe create future video to help.